In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is black, which means that auto rotation is off. To switch it on, click on the same one. If you want to go into settings, you can also do that and access auto rotation by hitting display. Then scrolling down a tiny bit and using this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!